Error 0x800f0991 generally occurs when the Windows servicing engine fails while staging update packages. Processing update manifests. Validating component dependencies. It's typically a component store or servicing issue, not a network problem. Here are the solutions for this error.
First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. Right-click Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type sfc/scannow. Press Enter. Wait for Windows to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. Solution 3. First, open a folder. Open your C drive. Open the Windows folder. Open the Software Distribution folder. The Download folder. Press Continue. This will delete the corrupted Windows Update files. Close the windows and run Windows Update. First, open the Start menu. Type CMD. In Command Prompt, select Run as Administrator. Press Yes. Type dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health. Press Enter. Wait for your PC to be repaired. Type Exit and then press Enter. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Windows Update. Press Run. Click on I can't download, install or uninstall an update. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if it resolved your issues. Now update your PC. First, open the Start menu. Open Settings. Open System. Open Troubleshoot. Open Other Troubleshooters. Locate Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Press Run. Select Yes to diagnose your issues. Wait for your PC to be scanned. Press Yes if the troubleshooter fixed your issues. Now close the troubleshooter.